Let us go to the emotions and the pulse. Number one, which pulse quality is described as somewhat tight but not as hard as the tight pulse, flowing reluctantly and linked to repressed anger. Kinikimkim.
Stagnant.
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 Yeah. Which pulse position is never affected by the sad quality?
Rare.
Rear.
Rare.
A rapid pulse that also gives the impression of shaking most likely indicates which emotion?
Guilt.
Guilt. Which emotion is associated with slow and slightly hollow pulse on the heart position? Slow,
Excessive
tapos
joy.
hollow. Hmm?
Excessive joy.
Excessive joy. Mm-mm. So ano,
Ganun pala.
oo,
Slow and slightly.
mahina siya.
Slightly hollow.
Sabihin
Excessive.
tumitigil na siya katitibo, no?
Kaya
Actually,
pala.
may ano ako kilala na ano, siya nag-alaga nung kanyang apo kasi OFW yung mga parents. Nung nag-graduate na ng college, sa sobrang tuwa niya,
Na heart attack.
namatay siya.
Oh my gosh. That
Sana chinek muna natin yung pulse niya, no?
pulse niya.
Wait, dapat chinecheck natin yung pulse.
Pag masyado masay.
Check nyo yung heart pulse nyo. Mabagal ba masyado? Masyado bang hollow? Hollow parang banga, ha? Parang walang laman. Okay. Sige. Sa bagay, wala namang masyadong masaya dito. When a patient exhibits a wiry pulse only on the left side, which emotional state is most probable?
Angry.
Anger.
Angry.
Yes. Tapos, ewan ko kung familiar kayo nito. Rounded yung heart pulse niya sa pabilog. Indicates
Grounded.
stagnation of qi in the heart together with deficiency of heart qi. Which emotional condition does it most closely correspond to?
May napakapakon dating ganyan. No?
Unexpressed.
Unexpressed sadness and grief.
grief.
So, dapat paiyakin mo.
Tusok-tusokin.
Kinikimping yung galit.
Ay, paiyakin mo talaga. Tingnan mo siya sa umiiyak. So check natin yung rounded quality ng heart pulse.
Rounded quality.
Which pulse quality is considered a reliable pointer to problems from anger when other signs such as pale face and weak voice suggest sadness?
Wiry.
Yeah, wiry. Which of the following is not listed as traditional 28 pulse qualities but appears as manifestation of repressed anger?
Stagnant.
Stagnant, repressed, kinikimkim kasi nahihiya.
Dapat ilabas na yun.
Oo nga. Magpa-akit
Mag-aakit
of the heart pulse and overflowing quality is defined differently from the true overflowing pulse. What is meant by this modified definition?
The pulse is slightly more superficial and relatively full compared to other positions.
Which peripheral pulse quality suggests an actual Western medicine heart problem rather than an emotional disorder?
Slippery and or wiry on peripheral position.
Sige na, tinangan natin kung slippery ba yung
wiry. Peripheral heart problem.
Heart problem.
Hello?
Siniklat yung pulse.
A pulse that is short and shaped like a bean gives the impression of vibrating. Is characteristic of which emotional response?
Shock.
Shock.
Ganun pala yun pala. Tsaka parang
Which pulse quality, when found on the lung position, most specifically indicates worry rather than anger?
wiry.
Yes. A patient presents with weak and choppy pulse in all positions, but the heart pulse is clearly felt. This pattern most likely indicates what?
Deep emotional
Deep
problem.
emotional problem.
Yeah. Which emotional state is linked to slippery pulse without a wave?
Shame.
Shame.
In elderly patients, a wiry pulse may be due to arterial hardening. Which diagnostic principle does this illustrate?
Age-related confounding.
Yes. Which combination of pulse qualities best describes the SAD pulse as defined by Dr. Shen?
No
No way.
way. Reluctant flow short.
Yeah. When
Doctor.
both front
No
and
way.
middle positions on the left and right exhibit the SAD quality, what does the author infer about the patient's emotional state?
Oh, sadness
Position.
is severe and long-standing.
Kasi pati middle na, di ba? Which pulse quality is described as tight and fine on the heart position during severe shock?
Tight.
Huh?
Tight.
Ay,
Severe shock? Okay. A moving pulse is most closely associated with which combination of symptoms?
Moving pulses.
rapid, short, bean shape,
Big shape.
vibrating,
Yeah.
moving
Bean
pulse.
shape, rapid, vibrating. One differentiates between overflowing and overflowing empty. What distinguishes the latter?
It is slightly more superficial yet relatively full.
In the context of emotional diagnosis, which pulse quality on the heart position most directly indicates heart blood deficiency?
Pag hard blood. Di ba choppy, Doc? Pag hard blood.
Oo naman. Kasi kulang, di ba?
Kulang siya.
Kulang ang signal. Mahina. Which of the following statements about the pericardium pulse is accurate?
It is felt on the heart position and especially prominent in full-type heart pulses with chest oppression.
Ay, wow. Siyempre mahaba-haba, no? Obvious naman. A weak
Long.
pulse on both lung and heart positions could be mistaken for which non-emotional condition? Hala.
Chest trauma.
Sige nga. Ang buti naman hindi weak. Kinabahan tuloy. Which pulse quality is described as tight? Dapat pinifeel natin yung pulse, no, sa mga ICU patient.
Oo nga eh. Curious ako eh.
O, kaibiganin mo
At
kaya.
pag na-ICU, Doc, mabilis ang tibok.
Oo. Siguro kaibiganin mo si ano siguro. Ay, isuggest ko pala yan. May internship tayo sa ano. Ano nga yung
Sa morgue?
kulay sa lab. Ay, hindi naman sa morgue.
Morgue.
O, ano, San Lazaro. San
Sa
Lazaro.
Lazarus Pit.
O, diba? Isuggest ko yan sa BOT. Requirement yan. Magkakaroon na tayo ng internship. Diba?
Wow.
Wow.
Very ang ganda ng plano ng bagong president, as in, magugulantang kayo. Kaya aral-aral. Ay, attend kayo ng convention. Lahat pwede mag-attend kahit hindi pa certified.
Okay.
Kanyan, Doc?
Kailan?
October 26.
4. Sa UP.
4 pala.
Oo.
UP. Inawan.
Sige,
Summer.
Bili mo.
Okay, okay. Which pulse quality is described as tight but not as easy? Ano siya? Repressed after?
Stagnant.
Overflowing heart pulse may indicate deep emotional problems when what other pulse pattern is present?
All positions are weak and choppy, with the heart pulse the only clear one.
That's obvious naman, mahaba, no?
Mahaba siya.
Which
Kailangan talaga natin siya pulsuhan, lalo na sa sa ano to, sa psychiatry ward.
Psychiatric ward.
Yun. Sige, no natin lahat. Which
Yeah.
which organ's pulse is least likely to become wiry in response to anger compared to the liver pulse?
Lung.
Lungs.
A slight hollow pulse on the heart position is characteristic of which emotional excess?
Excessive joy.
Yes. Which pulse quality is most commonly linked with blood deficiency? Siyempre, kulang dugo.
Happy.
Copy. Which of the following is a true statement about the relationship between pulse location and emotional diagnosis?
The front and middle position are the only sites where the sad quality appear.
Sige nga, fill na natin yung ating front and middle. Sad kasi gutom. A moving pulse resembles bean shape. Which physiological metaphor does this shape most likely evoke?
Vibrating. Spring.
Vibrating.
Which emotional condition is specifically linked to a slippery pulse on peripheral positions? Oh, indicating possible aortic aneurysm rather than an emotional issue. Hello?
Hypertension.
Hello.
Anong pala yung pag sa aneurysm?
Hypertension ba? Yeah.
Hypertension, doc.
Yeah.
Hypertension.
Which pulse quality, when found on the heart position, is most indicative of heart chi deficiency?
Heart deficiency. Empty.
A wiry pulse on lung position usually indicates which emotional state?
Worry.
Which of the following best describes diagnostic significance of a choppy pulse?
Sadness. Typically with background of blood diffusion.
A pulse that is tight and fine on the heart position is most likely a manifestation of which acute emotional shock?
Shock.
A shock. Which pulse quality is described as having no wave, used by Dr. Shen to differentiate early sadness from a later choppy pulse?
Sad.
Which emotional state may produce a pulse that is both rapid and gives the impression of shaking?
Guilt.
Guilt.
Posible hindi natin ito matandaan ha, paulit-ulit, pangatlo na yata.
Rapid.
Weak pulse on both the lung and heart positions can also result from an accident to which part of the body?
Chest.
Yeah, chest trauma. Which pulse quality is explicitly linked to excessive joy?
Yan yung hollow eh.
Slightly hollow.
Mhm.
Overflowing empty on the heart position.
Sige. Sana nga mag-ano tayo sa San Lazaro. Hawakan natin yung mga pulso ng mga tao, ng mga pasyente. Tapos pagtutusok natin ng ng tools.
Karayo.
A patient with a wiry pulse only. Oo nga mag-ano tayo doon. I-suggest ko pala, no?
Sige.
Assess natin.
After the convention.
Oo nga, para it's a learning experience.
Yes,
Kasi natin naramdaman yan, lalo na sa psychiatry ward, nakakaawa yung mga... O dyan sa Mandaluyong, di ba?
Mandaluyong punta ako.
Baka ayaw na lumabas ni Sir Mark, no?
Kanyang kaibigan, ako na lang magtutusok.
O, di ba? Patient, mag-duty tayo, isang linggo sa loob, di ba?
Oh my God.
Labas mo, kasama ka na. You're one of them. A patient with a wiry pulse only on the stomach position likely to Alam mo ba ito, this is very true. Meron akong buong pamilya, hindi nag-iimikan. So, pag kumakain sila, nag-aaway sila. Sana i-check natin yung mga pulse sila sa stomach position. Di sila nag-aano.
Yeah, meron
Siyempre,
tayo.
kakain sila, nag-aaway sila, puro sila galit. So, ang answer is meal times. A rounded
Meal
quality of
time.
the heart pulse as resembling a small ball and being short. Which physiological concept does this metaphor most closely parallel?
A compact ring.
Spring. Which of the following pulse qualities is considered a reliable indicator of emotional problems of most kinds when observed on the heart position?
Overflowing.
Yes. Which statement accurately reflects the view on diagnosing emotional problems versus actual cardiac disease using pulse examination?
Peripheral slippery or wiry qualities suggest cardiac structural issues rather than pure emotional causes.
Which
Mm.
pulse quality on the heart position would most likely accompany a congenital valve problem?
Deep, weak, choppy.
Vision choppy.
Parang wala na. In the emotional pulse framework, which quality is specifically associated with guilt besides rapidity?
Shaking impression.
Grabe, di na natin makakalimutan to, yung mga keywords.
Oo.
Shaking.
Empty heart pulse indicates deficiency of which element?
And
Archie.
Archie.
Slippery quality on the peripheral pulse positions may indicate all except which condition?
Stapler heart disease. Sadness.
Sadness.
So slippery sa peripheral
Heart
pulse.
disease.
Which pulse quality, when observed exclusively on the front and middle positions, signifies a short-term sadness lasting less than a year?
Sad pulse.
Sad pulse. In elderly patients, a wiry pulse may be due to arterial hardening. Siyempre,
Tigas na.
This exemplifies which diagnostic principle?
Need to consider age-related physiological changes.
Very good. Which pulse quality is described as tight and fine, associated with both shock and fear in the heart position?
Tight.
Tight. The last one. Which emotional condition may be indicated by a slippery pulse without a wave on the heart position?
Shame.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Thank you, Doc.
Mabuhay po tayo lahat.